What's up guys, my name is Arina and welcome back to my channel where I review everything tech. Finally, the wait is over and the Pixel 4a has just been announced, and honestly, all this waiting has made me so excited to finally get this phone in my hands. There were a lot of rumors around the Pixel 4a, and honestly, at some point I almost lost hope that this phone would even be released this summer. So thank you Google for sending this phone to me for review, and let's get started and open the box. This time around, the choice of color is pretty straightforward since the new Pixel 4a only comes in one color and it's black. It has a polycarbonate body, fingerprint sensor on the back, and this nice mint power button. In the box, we get a quick guide and a SIM tool ejector, a power adapter, and this is an 18-watt adapter, a USB-C cable, and a quick switch adapter. When it comes to the design of the Pixel 4a, I have to admit this is one of the cutest phones I've had in a while. The camera on the back looks like a miniature version of the camera setup of the Pixel 4 XL, really cute, but keep in mind that there's only one camera here. I'm always curious about new wallpapers on new phones, so let's go to the wallpapers in the settings and see what we have here. Oh, I like this one. Let's use it. As you can see, we get pretty small bezels on this phone. This difference is especially noticeable if I put the Pixel 4 XL and the Pixel 4a together. When it comes to the display of this phone, we have a 5.81-inch OLED display on the Pixel 4a. This is a 60Hz display, but I think it was quite expected for a budget version. The camera on this phone is something I cannot wait to get my hands on. So far, I've taken just a few shots and a couple of videos, so stay tuned for my comprehensive camera comparisons. When it comes to audio, we have a 3.5mm headphone jack on the Pixel 4a, which is a super rare thing these days, and also we get dual speakers on this phone. These speakers are not as loud as on my Pixel 4 XL, but still seem to be pretty good. Speaking of the battery, we have a 3140 mAh battery on the Pixel 4a. Google claims that this is the all-day battery, so we'll see how it works in the real world. And by the way, my Pixel 4a just died, so let's take the advantage of the situation and do a quick charging test. So let's set a stopwatch and see how long it takes to fully charge the Pixel 4a. In 1 hour, we get 83%. And finally, it takes about 1 hour and 30 minutes to fully charge the Pixel 4a, which is a pretty good result. The price of this phone is $349. For that amount of money, you get 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage and many more cool features, which I'll talk about in more detail in my comprehensive review. I'm really impressed with the design of the Pixel 4a. I think my expectations were a little bit lower since this is a budget version, but this phone looks really nice. And also, it's super lightweight and compact, but at the same time, the small bezels on this display let you get the most out of your viewing experience. So, guys, let me know what you think about the new Pixel 4a. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you in the next one.